My name is Adam Rawlins. I am currently the Director of Customer Experience here at PacMoore. My career started in April of 2007. One of the areas that we're focusing on heavily in customer experience in PacMoore is the role of the customer account manager. So in my role, I oversee our offices at all locations. I oversee our warehouse at all locations. My role is really the interface between our customers and the operations team here to ensure our customers are getting products and services the way they ask for those. And the account manager historically has always had a voice. Our office managers have always had a voice. But we're moving in a direction that's going to elevate that to make sure their voices are heard a little more clearly, a little more boldly, that we have more resources to supply the needs of our account managers and our office managers, who are our liaisons for our customers. So making sure that that voice becomes very apparent, that it's clear, it's loud, and we have individuals that are serving that will be one of the changes we're really working on. So having an account manager that has a support staff, they have a connection to sales, they have a connection to our warehouse team, they have a connection to maintenance if necessary, due to equipment failures that are causing a delay in production completion. So they also have account staff for themselves and individuals who can help navigate and manage inventories, reconciliation, communication with the customers. So our growth focus in this area is really to be able to support the staff who are in direct contact with our customers and have the most knowledge of those customer needs.